Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping tools and starting the machine now. Plug it in and let it warm for 3 to 5 minutes so the head reaches operating heat. While it heats, load 1/4 cup of your chosen flavored sugar into the spinner head. This amount produces a dense ribbon for forming balls. Once you see steady threads, hold a cone or parchment and rotate it slowly. You want continuous layers, not big clumps, to build an even base. You continue by layering thin ribbons of floss onto the cone or parchment circle, rotating at about a 45 degrees angle so fibers lay evenly. This creates a sturdy sphere when rolled. Every 6 to 8 seconds, lightly press or pinch the forming cotton candy to consolidate fibers. This removes air gaps and prevents collapse, while avoiding hard packing that makes it dense. Once the outer shell is uniform, trim stray strands with scissors, then pivot and add inner layers to reach the final size you want. You finish by tucking the last thin strands inward to seal the surface, shaping the ball with gentle, cupped hands so it stays smooth and round. Once complete, place the cotton candy ball into an airtight bag or container right away to lock out moisture. Humidity is the main enemy. If it becomes sticky or loses loft, dry it briefly, 30 to 60 seconds, near a warm, dry vent to restore structure. Do not microwave because that melts sugar and ruins texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.